How to fix ChatGPT and error occurred, please try again when uploading images. So if you want to fix ChatGPT and error occurred, please try again when uploading images, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of error. So once you've checked your internet connection, you need to open up your ChatGPT and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the top left, which has that 2 horizontal lines. Go with your name, which will be on the bottom. Scroll down and then you will have a logout option. You need to go and log out and then again log in with your same credentials. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, like if you're using on your browser, then you can just simply go and refresh or reload your page and it might fix your problem. If not, then tap and hold on to your ChatGPT and then go with the app info section. From the app info, go with storage and cache and go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Now your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then let's do a final check. Try a different browser or device. As a final fix, try opening ChatGPT on a different browser or even a different device entirely. For example, if you're using it on your Safari, then try opening your Chrome or your Edge. If not, or if you're using on your Android, then test it on a PC browser or vice versa. Sometimes the problem isn't your account, it's the environment you're using. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.